Hi, I am Mazen Hamdan from Fresh Fareway, and I want to share my experience with FasterCapital. The review process was very thorough, and the feedback from angel investors was incredibly valuable. It helped us refine our business strategy and pitch, and ultimately led to us securing the funding we needed. The team at Faster Capital was always available to provide support and guidance, and Mr. Hisham Zreik was particularly helpful in providing strategic advice and connecting us with potential investors. We are grateful for the opportunity to work with Faster Capital and highly recommended their program to other startups. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.